All right, so welcome to this session. Now it's time for us to add our digital products to our Beacon store. We already took our time to create these digital products on our Canva. So now it's time to add them to our store so that our customer can buy it. So what I'd like you to do is log into your Beacons. There's a video in the module on how to set up your Beacon store, how to add payment, and this is it. And we've already created a video on how to bundle your digital product together. The next one is how to add this product to your store. Okay, so now we are here. You click on digital product. Okay, so after clicking on digital product, you see new product. All right, from new product, you click on digital product one more time. Then you scroll, you see the image. We already generated. I generated an image using ChatGPT. You can give ChatGPT a prompt that you like to create a digital product for sale, right? It should generate an image for you. So it will generate an image for you. All right. So we just need to do that right now and get our image. Okay. So you click on this. Once you click on this, so 1 second, you click on this, you add image, then upload image. It's going to give us the image that has been generated by ChatGPT. We upload it into our, so this is how it looks like. Sometimes it might cut off the images. So I would like you to always click on this, because if you click on this, the image will not fit in. So better to click on this particular one, the custom, so everything will be perfect. All right, so then you accept. Our image is there. You can delete this. Then put the price. Anytime you click on this, you can always set your price, 9.99. Yeah. So pay what you want. So this is we don't want to offer this, right? So this is how it is. If you want to add discount price, you can always add a discounted price or code. All right. Yeah, so you can always add a discounted price. So we are not doing that. All right, once that is done, we click on next. Then you need to upload your product. This is the product we've already worked on Canva, right? So this particular product, you can decide to download it. You can download it in PDF format, but we are not downloading it. We want to create template link. So if you have not created the template link, all you need to do is to click on this see all. Then you will see the option to tap on the template link. It will not show live, so click on it. That is if you have not generated. So but if you've generated it, we are just going to copy it. But if you have not generated it, it will ask you to create a template link, then you create. All right, now that we have our link, you go back to Beacon store, then we add link. Okay, then you put the name of your link here, digital bundle. Then add your link here, then add your URL. Okay, then the next thing is for you to click on next, then make it be listed in your link, right? Because Beacons has link, so you list your product so that everything will be available. Your product is live. Okay, so you can always view it on link in bio. Yeah, we call it link in bio, so everything will be listed. Can you see how it is being listed? Yeah, so now this is your store link. So you can always copy your store link here and add it to your online store. Okay, yeah, so that's how you do it. And yes, so you see it's on, but now I'm not selling this yet, so I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, so that's how you go about bundling your digital product together and listing it in your store. All right, take care.